Hi creators, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook ads sales campaign. And to make this happen, I'm gonna show one of my clients' account, which is an online store, because I have everything connected there, and yeah, you will find out. So we are right now on the Facebook ads on my client's account. I'm gonna go here and press create a new campaign. I'm gonna go with sales, right? The bidding type it's auction, it's okay. Then I go to continue, and here I have two options to set. First, it's a manual sales campaign, and the first it's the advantage shopping campaign, which is something new in Facebook ads. And you can choose between this if you want less settings and less worry about whatever you have to do. And here you need it's the standard campaign with manual actions. This is for advanced marketers, and this is for people or business owners who don't exactly know what they have to set in this place. So I will go with this one in the first place, and after that I will choose the second one, so we will have all the options in this tutorial, because it's going to be a great tutorial, of course. Then we go to continue, of course, and here we will name our campaign. It doesn't really matter in the name, but yeah, you can name your campaign as you want. The category, of course, if you have a special ad category, make sure you choose the category. What I have to mention here is this advantage shopping campaign will only work if you have like your Facebook ads shopping connected. What I mean by that, here in the tools, you have to go to the commerce manager, and you need your commerce manager to be set up correctly, and all your products from your website should be automatically imported into the commerce manager, so you can see your products here in Facebook with all their pricing, with all their descriptions and names, and every time they need to be automatically updated, not manually. So you need like an integration between your shop and Facebook, and to make this connection happen, it really depends what type of store do you have for your business. For example, if you have a WordPress with WooCommerce, it's different the connection than when you have like a Shopify, for example. So I don't really know what you have right now in this moment, and you need some help from somebody who can connect your store to this Facebook, and make sure that freelancer or that team member or whatever or whoever it might be knows exactly how to make this connection to be true. I cannot do this for you in this tutorial because there are so many options here and I don't want to waste too much time on this, but this is what you need to do before you start doing a sales campaign for your e-commerce store. Right, so we are in this advantage shopping campaign, of course, the categories, see, and here we have the website. We choose our website. We don't have an app, but if you have an app, you can add your app too. Pixel, here we have our pixel, of course, and the event it's automatically added as purchase, because that's what we really need. Of course, that means we already have our pixel installed on our website and properly configuration of our pixel. And to make sure you have your Facebook pixel on your website, make sure you go to your website, and for example, this is my website, my personal website, and with this tool, with Meta Pixel Helper, it's a Chrome extension. Make sure you see these dots over here with green. It means that you already have your pixel installed on your website, and that's you are good to go. So you need your Facebook pixel too. Then at the location, of course, you choose your proper location, especially if you are a shop in a specific area, in a specific country, or in a specific city. Make sure you add your cities here, your region, your whatever your location it might be for your shop. Then you can also exclude your location if you want. Then we go further at the budget. Of course, here we set our budget, how much you want to spend per day. We can be like tens, hundreds, or millions of dollars. It really depends on you. Then we here at optimization and delivery, you can choose between 7-day click and 1-day view, or 1-day click or view, or this one. I suggest you add this one. It's better for faster. You will see faster your results in the Facebook. If you choose this option with 7-day click, it means that you will see your results, the whole results, only after 1, 2, or even 7 days. And usually we need our results to be shown very fast. But this really depends on how much you want your campaign to run, and yeah, it really depends on you. Then see here we have our reach with this current budget. Of course, it's zero conversions. Why? Because this store is not in the US market, but yeah, you have to figure out what budget you can do here. Then we will go to next because we don't have any options. And here we have only our ad. See, we don't have like the ad set properly. This is only 2 options here. We just don't have too many options at the ad set. And here, of course, we can name our creative. We can see our preview of our ad here. See, select here your Facebook page and Instagram account. Then we go with our ad setup, and here we can create our ad, or we can just choose an existing post from our pages, or we can choose from catalog. If you choose the catalog here, you will automatically have your catalog set, and you will automatically have your products over here where you can choose from your products. Of course, if you choose the catalog, you can go further. You can choose between the format single, image or video, or carousel. I can go with carousel, for example, to have multiple products. Then here is our catalog, and we can choose between our catalog, and we can choose also between our product set. So if you have different product sets, you can choose from your product set. For example, you can add in your product set different products which are selling the best, and only those products will automatically be shown in this carousel. We will choose multiple products. Then we can go to set our cards over here. It's a single image, and or you can choose between slideshow, and if you choose slideshow, it will automatically add a slideshow to your carousel, and it will change automatically depending on where you want to. So for example, this place, see, it's something different, a slideshow, and see here in this place they move, your pictures are moving. Then what you need to do is to add your headline, of course. Order now. You can have your better copy here, or you just can have your, for example, product name, and it will automatically add your product name here. It's better, see. Then we can go further. Primary text, of course. Here is our text. Our text that will appear here in this place above the carousel, and our call to action, of course, it will be shop now, order now, and something related to shop. Our link to website, of course, you can add your website link. Your link to website, you can add your website link here. Of course, deep link to website means that you can choose here to the URL. So see, you have your product URL here, but this is the code. If it doesn't work, this is the code, product.url. You add this code over here, and it will automatically add your link to your specific product. So for example, if people are pressing this product over here, they will automatically arrive at the product page. If they press the next product, they will automatically go to that product page. And that's really important to have this deep link to website, because if you don't add this link, it means that every time people will press on your product here or the next product or the next product, they will arrive at the main page of your shop, and they will not arrive at the product page, so you can lose customers because they are interested in a specific product over here, not in just your whole website, right? Then see more at this URL, of course, your website URL. Make sure you add your website events and the offline events. It's really important to have your offline events too. This means that you have your Facebook pixel set up with conversion API, which is better than just a Facebook pixel from browser. Then we can also add the URL parameters. So this means that in our Google Analytics, for example, you can know that these people who click on this ad, they will arrive at your website from this specific ad. And here you can build your URL parameter with campaign source. I usually add this campaign source every time to my ads. Campaign source, it will be like Facebook ads. Campaign medium, I choose from placement. Over here, campaign name, I will choose from campaign name, and campaign content, I usually add this ad name. So what this means is that at our link, they will automatically add dynamic UTM parameters, and you can easily see exactly what people are coming from each ad on your Google Analytics. If you don't know what this URL parameter is, just search on Google and you're good to go. But that's how we can create dynamic URL parameters. Then you just press apply, and of course after that we press publish. You will publish your campaign with your text here, with your links, with your products, and that's basically what you have to do to create this campaign in an easy and fast way. Then all you need to do, of course, is to monitorize your data to see if your campaign is working properly. If it's not working, it means that you have to change the budget or you have to change the creative, right? And yeah, you can do like different things. And this is the first step you can go with Advantage Shopping campaign. We will go further to the manual setup campaign. So right now we will choose the second option with manual sales campaign, and we will have our standard options here, how we can add our campaign, the name, the category, if you have a special ad category, of course, the catalog, make sure you have your catalog open, and the campaign objective is sales. This catalog, it's only if you want to add products from your catalog automatically, but you can also create, for example, Facebook ads without your products from your catalog. You can just add your images or whatever video you want without any catalog, because sometimes the catalog is not the best option. The A/B test if you want. Of course, if you want the Advantage campaign object to have your budget at the campaign level, not at the ad set level, but usually in this case, I just don't open this. I want my budget to be at the ad set level, so I can have more control over my budget. Then you will add your name here. It doesn't really matter. I don't care about names. Here we can choose our performance goal. Of course, we don't want to maximize the number of link clicks. We just need to maximize the number. I mean, to maximize our sales, right? And here are the different objectives you can add. For example, I go with this, but it really depends. I mean, you have so many options. You can test different options and different settings here. The CPA, it's cost per result goal, or the CPA. This basically means that you add here, you tell Meta what or how much you want to get to spend for one customer. And for example, if your average order value is for example $200, of course, and your cost per acquisition it's like for example $10, it means that you will add here $10 and Facebook will try to get your customers with only $10 per cost. So here again, I will choose this attribution setting to 1-day click, 1-day view. I mean to have not to have instant results, but to have instant reporting on my results. Then I go further, the product set, of course, here you can choose your product set from the catalog, the budget, again, your daily budget, your schedule when you want your campaign to be started, today, tomorrow. And here our audience, you can choose between finding customers or retarget ads to people who interacted with your business or your Facebook or whatever. So this means that if you choose the first option, the ads will go only to the to people who don't know about your products. And if you choose the second option, the ads will go only to people who already visited your website or they already interacted with your products. So this is like a remarketing campaign. This is a standard cold campaign. Then of course we will choose our location, again the same way we chose in the previous campaign, the age, the gender, the detail targeting. We can go with reach people beyond. Of course you can choose your languages here, your demographics, your interests, your behaviors. Usually I go with broad settings. I let Facebook to choose for me a bit based on my budget and based on my settings and on my ads. Then here you can choose between advantage placements or manual placements. Of course, this is the placements on Facebook. If you want more control over your placements and you don't want your ads to be shown everywhere in Facebook, you can just go with manual and pick 6 placements. For example, Instagram feed, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Facebook newsfeed, Facebook story, Instagram story. These are more common places, or Facebook Marketplace. Here you can see how many people will see your ads and how many conversions you are you will potentially get. Then we go next, and here we will create our ad. Of course, you can choose between your catalog of products, or you can create your ads from scratch. You can create, for example, you can add your visuals, you can add your videos, you can add specific text. And this is the actually difference between a good Facebook ad and a bad Facebook ad, because the creative, it's everything. I mean, all you need to do is to have good, very good, and very, very good creative, very good copy, very good images here, so people will notice your products when they scroll on Facebook, when they scroll on Instagram, and they are interested to click on them and to buy them, right? So here you can add your benefits, you can add your videos, and this is the actual difference. If you just go with catalog, with advantage catalog, it means that you only have your products from your catalog. You can choose, for example, you can add here your the name, the product name. Here the headline will be the product name too. The description, if you want, you can add here your price, for example, your current price at the description if you want, or the product price. And you can also add here your website. Of course, here you have to add your website and the display link. And also don't forget about the tip link on your website. Add that code with product.url. So you have the specific link for each product. And we can move further. Make sure you have your tracking open your website event and offline events, your languages if you have multiple languages. Then make sure you have the URL parameters as well, the same as in the previous campaign. We can add them here, campaign name and ad name, and apply. Of course, don't forget to add your text here and to change your buttons and maybe your visuals, and you are good to go. You can publish the campaign, and that's how you can create a sales campaign for e-commerce store. That's pretty much how you can create this kind of campaign for your store. It's really easy. You don't have to do very much, so many things here. All you need to do is make sure you have the best copy in the world, the best visual in the world, and you to have your Facebook pixel set up correctly and your Facebook ads catalog set up correctly, and you are good to go. So that's all about this tutorial, and I have a question for you. What do you think will be the best options to add nowadays? The Advantage shopping campaign or the manual campaign where you can create like more specific things and you have more control manually? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like, and also if you like what I'm doing, you can also visit my website and subscribe to my newsletter so you can get my weekly newsletter about many other things. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next videos.